Creating an attractive lead magnet. Attracting leads to your business can be a very expensive and exhausting endeavor in most cases, if not in all cases. You have to be ready to fork out a fat amount of your budget for advertising if you want to reach a decent amount of people, and you have to spend a good chunk of it creating an image and a product to bait people into joining your mailing list. However, that's if you don't know how to do it properly. While it is true that you will get better results if you spend some money on advertising, it doesn't mean that attracting leads organically and for free is impossible. In fact, there is a very easy way of doing so, and you don't need to put a lot of money or effort on it. We are talking about lead magnets, of course. In this video, we are going to show you how to create amazingly attractive lead magnets to get lots and lots of subscribers in no time. What is a lead magnet? Let's start with the basics. What is a lead magnet? A lead magnet is just what the name implies, a magnet to attract your leads. This magnet is nothing more than something of value that you offer to your prospects for free in exchange for their contact information, namely their names and their email addresses. A good example of a lead magnet is an ebook, which is arguably the most effective and most commonly used lead magnet. You tell your potential subscribers that they will get a free copy of your ebook if they sign up to your subscribers list. How do you use lead magnets? You send them straight to your subscribers' inboxes. You simply have to create a form or squeeze page to insert into your website. This will be displayed in the form of a pop-up, a landing page, or some other way, and will invite your visitors to join your subscribers list to receive a free copy of your lead magnet. Nobody can resist free stuff, even when they are not very interested in the content, but you'll start getting tons of new subscribers for whom to market. Now, how do you create an attractive lead magnet? Not all types of media will work as lead magnets. A lead magnet has to offer an immediate solution to something that matters to your audience. For example, a course that takes 10 weeks to complete will not get the job done. What are the most common types of lead magnets? Here are the types of lead magnets that work for every type of business and how to create them. Guides and reports. Guides and reports are a favorite among freebie lovers because they offer just the right amount of information to tease people into converting to customers. Guides and reports have to be created in the form of short ebooks in PDF format and 3,000 to 5,000 words long. The cover should look cool and professional. Ideally, it should have a white background, big fonts in the title, and some coloring. Remember, you are going to show it on your squeeze page. Cheat sheets. Cheat sheets are one-page guides that look like a blueprint. They can be in the form of an infographic or guide, include icons, useful information, and in a format that can be easily printed, such as PDF on a full sheet of paper. We recommend you hire a freelance designer to take care of this one. Templates. Templates are a huge success when it comes to attracting leads, and they can fit your business theme quite nicely. In short, they are simply a template that people can use as a pre-made guide to create something of their own without much knowledge. For example, if you have a blog focused on Facebook advertising, you can offer templates for a variety of Facebook ads. Video training. If you have the means and the skills to create video training, you should totally go for it. They are very effective at increasing engagement. They are seen as a greater value when compared to other types of lead magnets, and with good reason. Remember, video training should cover effective ways to use your products and services, and avoid using them as sales pitches. Discounts, trial periods, and software downloads. There's something powerfully alluring about trial periods, discounts, and free software downloads that makes them high-converting lead magnets. You can use them discreetly in the form of free shipping, coupons, 30-day trial periods, and so on, depending on what your business offers.